As we continue our trip to Old Penn Haven, you may notice numerous mile markers. These markers, like milepost 125 that we are passing, indicate the mileage from Reading Terminal in Philadelphia. Some of these mile markers have also been created to feature a variety of state wildlife that call Lehigh Gorge State Park home. Across the river, you can also see the area where Bear Creek empties into the Lehigh River. Bear Creek is a favorite spot for fishermen and fisherwomen to catch Pennsylvania's state fish, the brook trout. Lehigh Gorge State Park has a rich history of natural beauty and has been through much growth over the last 2 centuries. The 6,107-acre park stretches from the Francis E. Walter Dam in Luzerne County to Jim Thorpe and is characterized by the state as a deep, steep-walled gorge carved by a river, thick vegetation, rock outcroppings, and waterfalls. 20 miles of the D&L Trail traverse the gentle sloping pathway into Jim Thorpe. Besides hiking, biking, rafting, and fishing, the Lehigh Gorge offers outdoors people numerous hunting opportunities and photographers with hundreds of locations to capture the magnificence no matter the season.